Welcome to Plan 3D tutorial. Today we'll be working on grid. How to edit a grid structure. How do we edit a grid structure? First, a grid structure refers to a 3D framework composed of grid lines or reference planes that help user design and organize complex industrial plant layouts. So all you have to do is first create a new drawing. So say grid. Okay. So in this particular tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit a structure grid. So I'll click on the grid. We have the x-axis, we have the y-axis, and we also have the z-axis. I'll be showing you how they all react when you input values. For the x-axis, I have 8,000. For the y-axis, I have 5,000. For the z-axis, I have 8,000. So I click on create. So this is the outcome. Leaving it like that. This is how it will look like. This is the outcome. Then if I move over to if I click on this structure, I click on edit structure, I add a distance of 16,000. I click here, I click OK. I just added another distance for the x-axis, as you can see here. For the x-axis, I also click on it again. I edit structure, this is how it's going to look like for the y-axis. If I click on it again, I edit a structure. This is how it's going to look like for the z-axis. Now if I also want to edit it again, I click on it, edit structure. Depending on the distance you want to impute. Okay, so this is how it is going to look like. This is just on how to edit a structure. So if you want to also edit it further, you want to add more values to your y-axis or more distance, you can see